Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I'll explain you chapter number 10, mechanical properties of fluid. So this will be a short video explaining the key concept of this chapter. Okay, so let's get started with this chapter. The first thing we have to study in this chapter is about pressure. So you know pressure. Okay, this is a force per unit area. There is example given in this chapter, like one example is, okay, so what happens if elephant puts his foot on a person? Obviously the person will not able to, he will break his bones. Okay, but in circus what they do, they take a big plank, and now the elephant put his legs or feet on the in this plank, and below there will be the man. Okay, obviously the man will feel the pressure, the force, but in that case the impact will be quite less because the force has been distributed on the larger area. So we can say the pressure, okay, the force on a unit area on a smaller region is less in this case. So in this case force is the same. The elephant is exerting the exact same force on this time also, but in this case the area has been more, so pressure has been, the force has been distributed. So for each unit area, okay, or for each unit area the force is less, so we can say the pressure is less. So this is one example to understand for pressure. And pressure is what? This is force upon area, or better to say this is thrust upon area. What is thrust? This is the perpendicular component of the force that is acting perpendicular to the surface. Okay, suppose we have force acting like this, then we'll take the perpendicular component of this force. Okay, and that divided by the area will give us the pressure. Obviously this unit is, SI unit is Pascal at Newton per meter square, and it is a scalar quantity because the direction of the force is always we take, irrespective of what the direction of the force is, we'll take the perpendicular component of the force. Okay, now in fluid there is pressure also, and the pressure, suppose there are, okay, this is fluid, and there are molecules in the fluid. Suppose what, there are molecules of water, and they are moving, they are in motion. Okay, and they are exerting force on each other, and they create the pressure. Also the walls of the fluid, they will experience pressure because of this, the movement of the fluid molecules. Okay, also in the bottom the weight of the fluid will exert pressure. Okay, so this is, then we have what about it, there is a mention of the density of water. It is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, and below that is water source anomalous expansion. Okay, what has to be happen is like, the water, when we decrease the temperature, the volume must decrease, it should contract. But what we notice is when we decrease the temperature below 4 degrees Celsius, then water